Discover Bolo Packs, where adventure and creativity collide. Motor is bringing you this fascinating product. But first, what are Bolo Packs? This brand is all about being bold and brave. This multi-purpose set includes a picnic mat, a cooler, a tent, a convenient storage area, and a backpack. A hammock as well, and as a fly teepee, the kit's creators think it may be used practically any place, from camping areas for trekking pods. Even carrying an additional pair of shoes is possible. The additional features will enhance your outdoor experience, and the backpack's measurements are 56 into 35.5 centimeters. The cooler and backpack tarp are included in the starting kits, which cost $210. The MTI Flex is a 6-bit screwdriver that also has USB ports, an electric air lighter, and a saw blade with each of these attributes. Although it weighs 87 grams and has so many settings that it's easy to forget it's a flashlight. Its 3500 mAh battery lasts 4 hours in the most powerful mode, and its beam can be seen from 300 meters away, making it a durable device. The producer combined 420 stainless steel with aluminum. For about $64, Mulex is a dependable partner for daily chores as well as for adventures. You can always have it with you. The picnic tables creators likewise discuss innovation, but they more precisely target their market by making it clear that their product is intended for automobile camping rather than hiking. When you get to your destination, it's simple to wheel it to your tent and fit it in the trunk of your car. A portable workspace is created out of the picnic. You can cook, unwind, and even use your laptop if necessary thanks to its built-in light. The picnic has a 39 by 62 centimeter tabletop and can support up to 40 kilograms. 30 liters can be stored in the compartment. Given its $359 pricing, these characteristics make it a fair option. It's difficult to make something that's already fantastic better, but Calte's engineers has done just that. They took their well-liked low-love seat sofa and added 2 blankets to it. Why complicate things? It's still the same sofa for 2 with a steel frame that can support up to 181 kilograms. The furniture weighs about 8 kilograms and has drink holders. The upgraded low-love seat cost $150 and you can enjoy its comfortable armrest during outdoor movie nights or campfires. An excellent ice chest is the E-Stoke Hard Cooler 25 QD. Drinks are kept cold by the commercial-grade polyurethane that fills its sophisticated 7.6 cm thick walls. A silicone seal is provided to keep coolness from escaping through the lid for days, even in temperatures as high as 32 degrees Celsius. 30 cans or 23 liters cans fit in the box. All of these fantastic features work together to slow down melting by separating water from ice in a unique groove at the bottom. The Red Dot Design Award 2023 went to the E-Stoke 25 QD Hard Cooler. The fact that the price is only $113 is unexpected. Coffee lovers throughout the world drink over 590 billion cups of coffee every year. Some people are so devoted to their favorite drink that they won't give it up even when hiking in the wilderness. The crew at No Normal Coffee is just like that. They love the outdoors and coffee, therefore, they made tubes of paste. Similar to coffee concentrate, which is composed of 100% Arabica beet sugar and has a natural thickness, it is brewed coffee without water so that you can drink it if things get tough. One tube makes around 20 cups of coffee. The price of a tube was $1,750. The price of a Montec suitcase is $700. Are they Balenciaga made or embellished with Sophie crystals? No, but inside they serve a more useful function. A rechargeable battery, a solar panel, and numerous connectors ranging from USB to DC 5521 are all included. In favorable conditions, the most expensive suitcase produces 400 watts, while the most basic one produces 80 watts. All versions have a 110 watts storage capacity, which is sufficient to run a sump pump for 13 hours or a projector for 7 hours. They are waterproof and shock resistant just like any other premium Montec luggage product. The cost is reasonable given these characteristics, particularly when you account for possible electricity bill savings. Although the style you see here is geared towards fishers, it's actually very adaptable and practical for campers, hunters, and other outdoor lovers. You might think this is just another wash bag. Its integrated mirror is one of its best features. You may hang the bag on car doors or branches with the convenient plastic hook which resembles a coat rack. The backpack features 3 zippered pockets that may accommodate numerous conventional shampoo bottles and tubes in addition to travel-sized ones. The fact that New Direction tag is just charging $15 for the bag is also fantastic. No matter how advanced AI becomes, the Japanese always seem to surpass it. Take a look at this cute trailer that a Japanese company made for their local market. It's a soapbox-like trailer that can even serve waves thanks to an outboard motor that has at least 5 horsepower. It also has a great example of how well you can use small spaces as it can fit 3 people comfortably despite its 4.4 into 1.6 into 1.9 meters dimensions. The manufacturers managed to include a kitchen and furniture inside the trailer which cost about $14,500. In what location do you keep all of your tools and utensils? Since there aren't closets like there are at home, you will need flashlights and generators when camping. Introducing O's Trail, a table and closet combination. It has a strong metal frame with a long-lasting Oxford polyester fabric skin and detachable MDF shelves. The tabletop can support 15 kilograms and each shelf can support up to 8 kilograms. It weighs 9.55 kilograms and is as simple to assemble as a lounger with pockets for silverware. Even in windy situations, it remains firmly in place. Remember to pay the $50 fee, but you can use it to store all the things from our movies at the campsite or to store shoes or tools at home. DDIC can help if you are having trouble with water while camping. Along with them, they provide woodlands and special water containers. This package, which costs $170, allows you to use 11 liters of water comfortably. Expensive, yes, but the four features touch controls and a 150-liter water pump battery. The jug features several lids, one of with a tiny built-in tab, a broad 63mm neck, and a detachable handles. It doesn't seem too costly given that both products are created without bisphenol A, a dangerous chemical that can use infertility, right? Time for a snack. Using the B5000 W50T burner stove, you can quickly and effortlessly prepare delicious meals. You can grill, boil, steam, and fry with the robust cast iron burners of the $130 propane version, which is supported by 4 detachable legs. You can carry it alone to your camping kitchen because it only weighs 12 kilograms. It arrives the propane tank must be ordered separately, along with a pressure regulator, a braided steel line, and a windscreen. Is this a machete or a saw? Actually, it's both. This facade device looks even better than this and combines the best qualities of machetes and saws. Digital edition large branches and dense thickets are ideal for its curved 23 cm hardened steel blade. For under $40, the handle is comfortable to hold in both hands, and even if you hold it with one hand at the very tip, its unique form and soft grip coating retain it securely in your hand. The multi-purpose tool is yours, and it comes with a case for convenient carrying and storage when you go camping. The creators of Ready Rope incorporated this useful gadget with their product as a straightforward yet efficient method to differentiate themselves in the paracord market. With AI, they might even be able to produce entire series in the future, but for now, this strategy has at least 3 benefits. In addition to having a roomy compartment for tiny supplies like lighters, fishing hooks, and medications, it can also cut paracord and other cords. To keep the cord safe, the third Ready Rope features an integrated lock. It just costs $17 for a basic kit that includes the tool and a 30-meter power line. A heated blanket that can be turned into a hooded cloak is called a V blanket. It's interesting that the manufacturers left off a battery, so you will need a power bank. Nevertheless, it heats up fast. It reaches 30 degrees Celsius in just 30 seconds while remaining cool. The V blanket can go up to 54 degrees Celsius. The blanket requires only 5 volts, and its waterproof components allow it to be machine washed. It weighs only 680 grams and costs only $69. The founders of Sparkfire discovered a more useful method of starting a fire because they love a good fire but don't like fiddling with blowers or kindling paper. Pouring alcohol fuel into the bark fire is simple. After covering it with wood and lighting it, you can sit back and unwind by the 304 stainless steel fire. In addition to being a campfire specialist, it's ideal for campers, fire pits, and even certain stoves. It's also a smart idea to spend $42 $1 on Sparkfire because the company donates 1% of its profits to environmental organizations. As a well-known brand among knife lovers, Gerber even worked with Bear Grylls, now famous explorer and former Special Forces officer. Gerber shared his knowledge of making survival knives, but they have since expanded to include dining sets. For example, their entire range consists of 16 pieces that fit together like a huge Russian doll, plates, a saucepan, a stockpot, and more. Everything you need to prepare and serve meals for four. You can purchase individual pieces to progressively assemble your ideal collection, but a whole set of 16 items costs $200. The future stance has arrived, and they look far more awesome than anything artificial intelligence could produce. For example, the Exod Arc model would be a perfect fit for sci-fi action flicks such as Predator. The stand has been refined over the course of 5 years, and it is now comfortable even while hung. Setup is quick and simple thanks to the exhaust strap system and a combination of carbon and inflatable components. Although it's a one-person tent, two people could spend the night there. After paying the exorbitant $869 price, it weighs 4.7 kilograms, takes only 10 minutes to assemble and 8 minutes to disassemble, and has a transparent glass in the roof that must be good for stargazing. Camping equipment is sometimes highly specialized and impractical for daily uses, but the Lumen Noodle is an exception. This lead strand, which is available in normal and XL sizes, can be utilized above a workstation, beside the pool, and more. The XL is 3 meter long and 360 lm light, while the standard is 1 over 2 meter long and 160 lm brilliant. Each of the strands cost $14 and $35. Through a USB connector, they may be charged from a power bank. Luma Noodle, according to the creators, is the first completely waterproof and incredibly bright lighting solution that can be mounted anyplace. You wish you had a sofa to unwind on because there are so many amazing locations on Earth, such as hidden beaches and the summits of ancient mountains. The Vivo Air sofa chair fills that need. Is useful, simply wave it about or use the winds to fill it up. No pump is required. It can support up to 227 kilograms and remain inflated for up to 6 hours, even though just it weighs 900 grams and cost only $40. It also features 2 pockets, a big headrest, and an elastic holder for a bottle or jar.